Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Start Easy Knowledge. The topic is word. W-O-R-D. Word mean loves. Word is a group of letters which has a meaning is called a word. A group of letters which has meaning it is called word. Are a single distinct meaningful element of speech or writing. The definition is also a single distinct meaningful element of speech or writing, such as, for example, door, basket, pencil. These are words because they have meaning. Door, darwaza, basket, tokri, pencil, pencil. But if there is a word D, C, B, E, A, this is a word but it has not a meaning, so we cannot call it a word. There are many letters S, K, Y, three letters, so they made a word sky. Teacher, teacher. These letters made a word teacher. Star, box, box, box. These letters made a word box. Sandu, book. So all these words have meaning, so we can call them words. Tick the correct one. All these are words, so this one is correct. phone, phone. Earth, zameen. Let's know some words. Single are one letter words, two letter words, three letter words, four letter words. Single are one letter word, A or I. Both these are one letter words. Two letter words, M, in, to, go, no, up, my, he, it, do, ox, is, on, if, so, by, at. Now three letter words, fox, hut, top, net, bed, box, out, wig, mat, hit, log, thought, lap. Four letter words, bark, roof, slip, rope, cake, pass, fish, star, beam, left, cage. All these have four letters. 1, 2, 3, 4. Five letter words, chair, smile, mouth, prawn, eagle, grain, candy, human, angel, issue, glass. Six letter words, mother, butter, bridge, church, expert, garden, effort, radius, runway. All these have six letter words. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Seven letter words, brother, brother. These are seven letters. Morning, quality, officer, serious, uniform, picture, partner, readers. All these have seven letters. So there are many other letters you can write by yourself. Two letters, three letters, but only single or one letter words are these two. So when we join letters, they make a word, and when we join words, they make a sentence. Such as sky is blue. This sky, S-K-Y. There are three letters, they made a word sky. Is one more, blue, B-L-U-E, blue. Three words, 1, 2, 3, three words, and this made a sentence. The tree is tall. The tree is tall. One more sentence. So 1, 2, 3, 4 words made a sentence. three words made a sentence.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and like and share the video.